Common challenges. Every import-export business faces challenges. Examples include shipping delays, currency fluctuations, customs issues, supplier problems, international competition, political risks, product quality concerns. Planning ahead and diversifying suppliers can reduce these risks. Tips for success. Start with one product category. Build strong relationships with buyers and suppliers. Keep learning about global markets. Stay updated on international trade regulations. Invest in branding and customer service. Use AI and digital tools to improve efficiency. Focus on quality rather than competing only on price. Reinvest profits to expand gradually. Future trends in import-export, 2026 and beyond. The future of international trade will be driven by AI-powered supply chains, blockchain-based trade documentation, green and sustainable logistics, electric cargo transportation, smart ports, digital customs processing, cross-border e-commerce, automated warehouses, predictive demand analytics. Businesses that embrace these technologies will gain a significant competitive advantage. Conclusion. Starting an import-export business in 2026 offers exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to learn and adapt. By choosing the right products, understanding international markets, building reliable partnerships, and leveraging AI-driven tools, you can create a profitable business that serves customers around the world. Success in global trade requires patience, planning, and continuous learning. Start small, deliver quality consistently, and expand strategically. With the right approach, your import-export business can become a successful player in the global marketplace. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. 1. How much money do I need to start an import-export business? The amount varies depending on the products and market, but many entrepreneurs begin with a modest investment by focusing on a single product line. 2. Can I start an import-export business from home? Yes. Many businesses begin as home-based operations using online communication, digital marketing, and third-party logistics providers. 3. Which products are most profitable? High-value manufactured goods, specialty foods, textiles, medical supplies, and sustainable products are often among the most profitable categories. 4. Is experience required? No. With proper research, training, and careful planning, beginners can successfully enter the import-export industry. 5. How long does it take to become profitable? The timeline depends on your niche, marketing, supplier network, and customer acquisition, but consistent effort and smart business practices can help you build profitability over time.